Hi, I'm Mark Morse with Human Touch, and I'm here to talk to you about a new massage chair, the WholeBody ROVE. The WholeBody ROVE has both S and L track technology. It has a high-performance L track that extends all the way from the neck and shoulders down to your glutes and thighs. The S track closely follows the curvature of the spine to move naturally with the flow of your body's curves. When sitting in the ROVE, allow our expansive bend and stretch functionality to provide unprecedented leg and spine relief by increasing blood flow to the vertebrae and discs and helping to rejuvenate your lower back. The WholeBody ROVE has 8 auto wellness programs, all mapped for maximum effectiveness using our AcuPoint detection technology. There's also a very intuitive tablet remote that helps you easily manage the massage chair's functions. And on the remote holder, you have an easy reference guide for the massage chair programs. The ROVE also has Cloud Touch acupressure with strategically placed targeted air cells to help provide pressure to key healing points. Along with that, it has dual lumbar heat to help relieve pain from tired and sore lower back muscles. The ROVE can also take you into the zero gravity position. This is when the feet are elevated above the heart, and it helps force blood back to the heart to help improve circulation. When you're in the zero gravity position, this is when it has the least amount of pressure on the body. It is also the physician's recommended healthiest way to sit. The ROVE also has a manually extending foot and calf massager. It allows you to extend out your feet to accommodate your height. Also, along with that, it has underfoot rollers for optimized reflexology. With a built-in USB port, you can also charge your favorite handheld device while listening to an ebook, listening to music, or watching a video. You also have built-in Bluetooth speakers to truly immerse yourself into a soothing massage while listening to music from your favorite handheld device. The ROVE also provides for wireless charging of your compatible phone to truly unplug and enjoy your massage. The ROVE also has a unique space-saving design to where you only need to be 3 inches from the wall to be able to pivot seamlessly from an upright to a reclined position. So for those of you with tight spaces, this chair will help accommodate that. It has a durable, soft hide upholstery that is easy to clean and to wipe down with the look of a textile fabric on the side. You can get earth and moon with a wood-like detail on the side, or slate and sky with a silver accent on the side. I think you're really going to love the ROVE. Thanks for watching.